Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I post new content. Okay, the holidays are nearing and nobody's gonna wanna go out, nobody's gonna wanna go to bars. So I'm gonna show you today how to make a mixed drink at home using none other than your blender, your choice of alcohol or alcohols, and some mixers and triple sec. So, come in a little bit closer. I'm going to show you. As you can see here, I have my oyster blender. It has 5 different settings. I'm going to be using my settings on high. I went by the grocery store and I grabbed a pineapple orange. So what I'm going to do first, this is in the frozen section, the frozen food section. It's actually just frozen juice. So I'm going to put this in. You might have to let it stay out of the freezer a little bit so it can come out real easy like that just did. When it's froze, it's kind of not as easy to get out. Okay, so I put that in there. Now, you don't have to use these. You can use whichever ones you choose. I have some triple sec. I don't measure, I eyeball. So I'm going to put a little triple sec on the bottom. And basically the triple sec kind of helps blend the flavors in. I'm going to use a little orange Caruso. It's kind of like blue Caruso if you're familiar with Bob Marley's. So I'm going to put a little orange Caruso in it. And keep in mind, the Carusos do have alcohol. 60 proof, this one is 30% alcohol. Okay, now I'm going to add a little peach mix. You remember we used pineapple orange, so I'm going to add a little peach. That way it keeps that tropical flavor. You know, we want to feel like we're headed to the beach. Okay, I'm going to use a little pineapple Parrot Bay. Again, I don't measure. Got a little rum here. This is Flor de Cana Extra Seco. And it's 40 proof. That's a good deal for rum. You know, rum is usually kind of sweet. So I'm going to kind of pour this a little lightly. Just a little bit more won't hurt. All right. And what's a good drink without a little Quavo? This is going to kind of give it a margarita feel. So it'll be kind of like a flavored margarita. I am going to add Absolute because my sister likes vodka, but I don't. So I'm not going to use any vodka yet. I'm going to just mix it in there with hers at the end when I get mine out. Of course, you put the top on your blender. And I'm going to use the frozen drink setting. And actually, I am going to use it low. No need for high since the drink is the mix was already kind of melted. So I'm going to hit that frozen drink. When the blender changes its sound, it's done. You don't need anything else. Okay, and it's all nice and slushy. Not too slushy though. So from here, that's it. That's all you need to know for now. I'll be right back. Stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to show you how I'm going to add the vodka in to finish the drink. Come back.